Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Abdullah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we discuss about commercial enterprises. The following are some steps to increase tourism in the area. Number 1, recognizes the potential of the share of their potential, introduce the people around about the value of tourism development. With this, the public will be preparing for the impact of tourism development in their area. Communicate with some relevant parties to find information where it is possible to visit other areas that have successfully developed their tourism. The last, publishing is good in person or in the media. Pronouns are next by introducing the potential for public travel. Top mainstream media or online media can increase the travelers' knowledge of a tourism area. Sorry for my mistake. It's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.